The vermilion tree, which grows in the Himalayas, is rare to be found in Rajasthan. But Ashok Jatolia's family has a vermilion tree planted in the city area of Ajmer. This tree has not only become a center of attraction for the people, but their religious belief has also increased. This is the reason why people flock to take away natural vermilion from the owner, but also worship this holy tree on Diwali. Very few people know that vermilion is not made, but it is a product of nature. The vermilion tree is also known as Kalima in English. The tree is commonly found in hilly areas, but is the only vermilion tree present at Ashok Jatolia's house in Kundan Nagar area of Ajmer. This tree has become the center of faith for the people. People view the tree as sacred and take the fruit that comes from it with them.
ये सिंदूर का पेड़ है और ये मैं 7 साल पहले भोपाल से लेके आया था। उस समय तो गमले में लगाया 2-3 साल, उसके बाद में लगाया ये, और इसको पवित्र मानते हैं सभी। और रोवा किसको तो मनोकामना पवित्र सिंदूर का पेड़ भी बोलते हैं, और सिंदूर ले जाते हैं और लगाते हैं, यूज लेते हैं।
The owner of the tree, Ashok Jatolia, says that he is fond of gardening. He brought a plant from Bhopal 7 years ago, which he planted in his home garden. When the plant grew and became a tree, it started bearing fruit. After much inquiries, he came to know that it is a vermilion tree. Ever since people came to know about the vermilion tree, some devotees of Balaji and Ganesha take the fruit to please their deities. By profession, Jatolia's wife Sunita runs a beauty parlor. Sunita says that there is hardly any temple in Ajmer whose priests have not taken the vermilion fruit from them. She says that vermilion found in the market is red in color, which contains chemicals, but the vermilion obtained from the tree is golden, which is natural and harmless. She says after drying the seeds and grinding them, the color becomes pale.
दूसरे में केमिकल होते हैं। अब जैसे औरतें मांग भरती है दूसरे सिंदूर से तो खुजली भी चलती है, वहाँ से बाल निकल जाते हैं। इसमें कोई भी साइड इफेक्ट नहीं है, आराम से लगा सकते हो, और ये बिल्कुल 2-3 दिन तक लगा रह सकता है अगर आप सिर माथे पर लगा।
Once the Jatolia family came to know about the identity of the tree, they started taking special care of it. They gave vermilion free of cost to those who seek it for religious purposes and also to women. The recognition of this sole vermilion tree has increased so much that people are now viewing it religiously. Local Shankar states that the fruit obtained from Sindoor tree is like the golden Sindoor offered to Hanumanji, which is considered sacred. Arun Jatolia distributes vermilion obtained from family tree free to people.
पवित्र सिंदूर जो हनुमान जी लगाया करते थे वो वैसा है, बिल्कुल एकदम प्योर पवित्र और नेचुरल है, एकदम लाल सुर्ख रंग हो जाता है एकदम सिंदूर की तरह। बहुत अच्छा है पेड़ है, बढ़िया है।
The plant, about which no one knew, has become the attraction today due to its characteristics. ETV Bharat report.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.